Hey superstars, today I'm trying something new. I'm going ice skating with my dad. I've never really done this properly before, so let's see if I can stay on my feet. Okay, stepping into the ice felt really slippery. I thought I might fall straight away. This is harder than running a football, man. After a few tries, I started to balance. Then I actually started to glide. I'm doing it! I'm actually skating! Once I felt more confident, we started skating together. We even had a little race. I still found turning and stopping very tricky, but that's okay. Learning takes practice. Next time, I want to learn how to stop properly, that too without crashing. That was so much fun. At the start, I was very nervous, but by the end, I didn't want to leave. It just shows trying something new can feel very scary, but if you keep going, you improve. Thanks for watching my best adventure I've done. What should I try next? Let me know in the comments. don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.